Hey guys, it's me, Courtney from Know Your Produce, and today I'm going to show you how to make Instant Pot Chickpeas. So I'm going to show you how to take these dried chickpeas, which are super affordable, and make them into the best tender chickpeas for all your favorite chickpea recipes. Let's go. So I have 2 cups of dried chickpeas in this bowl. I rinsed and sorted them. If there was any stones or debris, I took that out. Now I have them in here with water, and I'm going to let them soak for 6 to 8 hours or overnight. Since I'm in a cooler place, I can keep them right on my countertop, but if you are in a place where it's a little warmer, you may need to put them in the refrigerator or in a cooler area because you do not want them to ferment. So we have 2 cups of dried chickpeas, and then I put about 5.5 to 6 cups of water, and we will see how this rises when it's ready and done soaking. Now, if you did not want to soak this overnight or for a few hours, you could also put this into a saucepan and let it boil, and then let it sit into that boiling water for 1 minute, then remove it from the heat, and then let it sit in there covered for 1 hour. So saucepan covered for 1 hour after a 1 minute boil. Our chickpeas have been soaking for about 7.5 hours. They are doubled in size, and now we are ready to drain these, give them a rinse, and put them into the Instant Pot. So now if you wanted to do the quick soak method in your Instant Pot, you can also do that instead of in the saucepan. To do that, you're going to rinse your chickpeas, remove any dirt, debris, or stones, and then place those chickpeas into the Instant Pot. Then you're going to add 2 to 3 cups of water per 1 cup of chickpeas into your Instant Pot. You're going to use the saute function on your Instant Pot and let it come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, you're going to let it boil for 1 minute and then turn the heat off. And then you're going to cover it and let those chickpeas sit for 1 hour. Then you'll drain that water and then rinse your chickpeas and then start the cooking process. So now that we've drained and rinsed our chickpeas that have soaked, we're going to put them into our Instant Pot. So now we're going to add in the water. I like to add about 3 to 4 cups of water per 1 cup of dried chickpeas. Now, this would be the time that you want to add in any salt, pepper, or any herbs. We're keeping it completely plain because we want to be able to use this for multiple recipes. So we're going to make sure it's locked and on sealing, not venting. And then we're also going to put on manual for about 20 minutes now. And then I'm also going to let it quick release. Now, if you wanted to do a natural release, I would do this for 5 minutes. And then natural release for 20 minutes. Just make sure you're using a timer. And also for this, you're gonna want to vent it right away and just be very careful. Onto manual, I'm going to cook it for 15 minutes. So now we need to vent, and I'm just gonna use a spoon and let it vent. So now that the pin has fallen, we're just gonna open it. Careful, it's gonna be a lot of steam coming out. We're just gonna open it and then allow this to rest on the side. And then our chickpeas are perfectly cooked and ready for however we'd like to use them. So we hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy recipe for Instant Pot Chickpeas. It's perfect for soups, salads, stews, and so much more. Be sure to try our Israeli salad with this. It's so good. We love putting it with hummus and falafel. So good. And we also make a chickpea salad. We also have falafel. It's great to make hummus, and even a Mediterranean rice recipe with peppers and onions. So good. We hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Bye guys.